friends, Jade from Sweet Softies here. I'm so excited to share with you my Temu haul. As you can see, I have this big old package from Temu that just came in today. Wanted to do an unboxing here and show you all of the fun things I got. There are a bunch of crafty things, nifty things, useful things for you as either a crafter or a crocheter, and also some happy little things I got too that bring joy. Alright, so let's see what's inside. I picked out a bunch of little things and we're gonna take a look. Alright, first up, I've got this lovely little trinket box here. It is so perfect for putting in your yarn needles and little things to take with you on the go, like plastic safety eyes. Okay, take a look. These are plastic safety eyes. They're so many different glittery colors. What's really awesome is you've got these little glittery backings that go underneath the actual glass eye part. So I will show you how these work in just a moment, but these are gonna make a lot of pretty sparkly amigurumis. It'll be perfect for some of my mythical creature patterns. I also have some with animals that would be suitable, like cats. So we'll take a look. I'm working on a beautiful jellyfish here, and I got the perfect plastic safety eyes from Temu. As you can see, they come in a packet with all sorts of different colors. This whole thing costs less than $2. And what I love is that you can kind of DIY this part yourself even. You've got the plastic eye piece, and then you just slide on the color you'd like to be the base. And you can see that it has a beautiful glittery shine to it. Here are some of the color options within my packet. And after trying them out on my jellyfish, I feel like I kind of like the yellow, because it brings out the pops of yellow, like the tiny little specks of yellow in my yarn. But I found so many of these to be great choices too, to be honest. The purple especially looks quite magical. And I'm just gonna quickly show you the blue here too. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm really happy with these plastic safety eye purchases. They have so many different variations available. And let me go ahead and pull out another one to show you here. I also got this set from Temu, and it cost, I think it was like $179. Yeah, $179. It's 30 pieces, and these plastic safety eyes come in all sorts of colors, so you can go ahead and choose the sizes you want to. I believe I got 9mm eyes here. And I love the quality for the price. It's really unbeatable. I've been ordering off Amazon for a long time, and I find that Temu just has much better prices for the same products. This nice wood tray to display my projects on, make them a little bit more Instagram worthy. I've been taking pictures of my amigurumi on plain white backgrounds on my table, so this hopefully will make it look a lot nicer, and it was so affordable too. So what I love is that they have different sizes available. I got the 10-inch one, and I think it'll be a good fit for some of my dolls. We're gonna check it out. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a beautiful wooden tray. It's really quite perfect for displaying amigurumi as well. So in addition to the round tray that I got, the circle one, you can also find a lot of great different shaped trays on Temu. So this one I plan to use as another display to photograph my amigurumi. Okay, I'm really excited about this one here. This is actually, it's advertised as a waterproof bag, but what I think is absolutely great is that It's the perfect little nifty compartment to hold your crochet notions with you as you travel. So I got this for the purpose of bringing my crochet with me, making things portable, bringing my tools, and making sure that I have everything together in a very organized way. And look, it has a handle. So these are super cheap. I got it in a pack of 2. This size, the smaller size, is perfect for putting crochet hooks in, and this larger one, you can actually put one inside the other if you want. But the larger one, you can put some other things as well. Like I can put in some of my smaller skeins of cotton yarn and also projects that are in progress. Here's another bag that's really useful for storing your crochet items for increased portability. Taking things on the go is really important for me. This one is a larger bag compared to the 2 that I showed you earlier. It is also waterproof, and it's great for, look at that zipper top. It's great for holding everything together, and I really like the style because it has a little as you can see, a little loop for attaching to either a bag or just like for ease of carrying with you. And I love that this one also has another zippered compartment in the front. So these are all incredibly well priced for being nifty things that can help you make your craft more portable. The next thing I have here is this really lovely pencil holder. It has compartments, and it's actually going to be perfect for holding my crochet hooks on my desk. So I plan to put my crochet hooks, my scissors, my ruler for measuring, and you can actually stick in things like plastic safety eyes or smaller notions into these compartments. Here's another organizer that I got. It's perfect for desk storage. You can go ahead and add so many of your crochet notions in here. Your hooks, your tools, your stationery items. And I love that there are little slide out drawers to put in things like, again, like your buttons, your embellishments, your appliques, plastic safety eyes, etc. So a lot of great space. I just unboxed this large capacity jewelry box. This one is so perfect for putting in all your jewelry and accessories. It's so, oh my gosh, it's like so beautifully made. I love all the details on this, and it has a nice quilted top. It's really stunning and unexpectedly nice quality for the price. And I love that you can also have, it's very well designed with different sizes for the compartments. And here are some pockets for binders. And I wanted to share these with you actually because when I saw them online, I immediately knew that they would be great to put in my pattern binders. So I have pattern binders where I have designs and projects planned, and these, if you just punch out the holes, you can put it into a 3-ring binder, and you can easily take with you in your binder all the smaller notions and items that are easy to lose, and you can keep track of it really nicely. So that is a really nifty tool here. Temu also has a bunch of small storage items. These are small storage boxes. It's so affordable. I plan to put plastic safety eyes and some smaller items like buttons and beads inside of. It's a see-through case, so you can easily just organize things and know where they are. So here's the cutest little portable jewelry storage box. And I think it's absolutely cute. Let me just open it up here. This is something that I saw and I was like, okay, that brings joy. So you open it up, you'll see that it is the perfect little box for putting your little jewelry in. And this is such a nice portable size. You could just take it with you when you travel. I also really got into crochet and resin lately, so I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to start a new hobby through Temu. You can literally get anything and everything you need at an unbeatable price. Here's a UV lamp for getting your resin dried. There are some mica powders here that offer a good variety of colors for you to color your resin arts. I also got some mixing items, so these are little containers for pouring and mixing. And here are things to add into the resin, like dried flowers. I also got some gold flakes to put in. And on top of that, I will definitely be adding some crochet. And here are some cute little photo frames. I like to put some, or turn them into resin arts with crochet and resin mixed together, as well as these lovely little pendant, rectangular pendants. And I'm most excited about my last mold here, which is to make some beautiful coasters and even a coaster holder. So I think this size is perfect for adding in different crochet flakes, and you can really feature a lot of different designs that way. I hope you had fun watching my Temu haul for crocheters here. To get some goodies too, download the Temu app and search code PIC9425 on Temu app to claim $100 coupons for free. The site offers free shipping and free returns up to 90 days as well. Happy shopping!